titig. Kasi mayaman na ako kahit amo kang Pilipin. Balang araw, tinapatamos ng ilog. Magkakala mo'y bitong hindi na ako nakabayog. Sulit.
Stupid!
Guys, sa ko nga, guys, balang pa na pareho ko t-shirt. Lucas Shirts. Trish.
Follow them on Instagram. It's at lucas.shirt.
Facebook at ilang Facebook page. Dakal, salamat Trish
Thank
Lenon
you
for
po.
sponsoring.
Aliyah po, malisangan para kakulit kayong 5 out of 5 guys.
Saka yung sinabi na,
Like kayo pinikilikili mo, Celine.
right.
Basa.
Yes.
Yung time yung sinabi Trish ka na ako, basan ke. Jabor proof.
It's Jabar.
Jabar proof. Jabar proof.
What's Jabar?
Jabar Baskil.
Jabaristic. Alright. So, nanong gagawan tamo ngeni at miyabe-yabe ta naman.
Well, maranap tamo, danong pagtamo ah.
Top restaurant scanning angalan.
No, not the top restaurants.
But the
Kasi that's
some.
a very difficult
Yes.
subject.
Being the center for the
culinary capital of
Yes!
Dahil-
Naka-center.
CCP yata yung sabihan ko eh.
Masakit
Cultural
yan,
center of the
okay.
Philippines.
So in gawan tamo ngayon guys, we're going to visit what we think are the 5 iconic restaurants.
Yes,
That's
iconic.
the...
Ba't wala mo ba yung sakenta mo?
Oh, talaitang
Mamauhay.
Talaitang box.
Ali guys, kasi maral tamo gamit ngayon eh. May upgrade na ibang bagya, banta naman. Mas masanting footage. Speaking of mas masanting footage,
Yes.
this is powered by Ye4K Class!
Facebook account? Ye Technology.
Yeah, so papunta tamo kitang first restaurant tamo, which is
Dun, 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 dun.
Tall House.
Wow!
Tall house.
Solid!
Amu-amu saglimu. Bayo miya sunduing video, did you know that this episode is brought to you by mengan.ph? Yep, they're helping us keep our videos and projects alive. You'll hear more about them later in the video. Alright, back to your regular programming.
Okay!
Nice.
So, at yung kami Tall House ngayon eh, kaya bimisilin. Sa wakas.
So keep
Ay,
it coming, keep it coming.
Yan bro.
Bayaran kaya.
Ewa ko kutang pero 30th anniversary na ning Tall House this year.
This year, 2018. This year, 2018.
At sulaking cups ka actually. 30.
Buhay na.
Kenny mamangan, Kenny mag-celebrate pa siya ating birthday. Lalo na karing familiars, sigurado. Shout out to
Nung
all
familiar
family.
kayo ka rin familiar.
Wow.
Anyang college ko kaling mo talaga at Doll House.
Oh my God,
Hindi kami mamangan with my friends.
Pero I think what Celine said, ang young estudyante nila, they can afford it.
Tamburi mo, tambrejo. Social pero affordable. Tall house. Grabe. Kasi
Malapi yung pagyambalin
Big
mo.
Mac is life.
Hanggang nini, Big Mac.
Mura pero manyaman.
Mura pero manyaman. Yapin tang nakat kang Tall House kayo mall. Tapos sabihin daw, ay, ito ng Tall House kayo mall.
Wala ka pra.
Anyway, nanong ating tayo ngayon eh.
Big Mac ang pong clubhouse.
Okay, so nano yan?
Kinabangan mo ni.
Tropical chicken.
Kagli ah.
The best.
Mix na yan.
Chocolate mousse. Solid. Kasi ako, mali ko talaga yung chocolate. So, I did this.
Nanini.
Pandan.
Naman
Ini, nano ini? Bego ka na? Thai fried rice?
Thai fried rice.
Thai fried rice.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Ay, luway ka seafood.
Fried rice, ating yang mangga, ating yang, is this barbecue?
Pork
Pork
barbecue.
barbecue, ating yang ebon, and ating yang fried rice. May pag-complement na rin ang lasa na all-around great dish. Of course, itang paboritong Big Mac. This is such a universally loved food. It's one of the items on the menu here, Kenning Tall House, that made it so iconic.
So nag-start siya ini. Actually, nung lawin niya yung Tall House from outside, na guys, magandam kayo. History, mama na. Nung lawin niya from outside, yung facade na. Di ba adwaya ang bubungan na? So, ayun na.
Itong picture.
Ito, adwaya, di ba? Oh, originally, metong yamo yan.
Matamalate.
Wow. And then this side, gardening.
Yes.
Kay bagya-bagya, in-upgrade din ang yung karelong menu, mika palabok, mika...
Ay, pero di palabok. Ano sabi lang din?
Ewan ko tao.
Amo.
And then dining recipe the
Homegrown recipes and time-tested recipes. That stood the test of time, basically.
Iconic. Bakit Toll House? Yang ako kasi, bala ako, Toll House.
Bakit?
Mother.
Kasi well, Toll House kasi hindi na.
On the spot. You're the
So
best.
sabi ng Mambi na, tinlatang apulot, bala mo.
Chocolate.
Chocolate bar.
Tapos nagluto.
Nag-unit Toll House. So main spiral from that, and then here, we have Toll House. Oy, nanong oras? Nanong oras?
Wow, oras na.
Oras na?
Wow.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, ako man.
Solid na kanyaman. Thank you very much, Toll House. Kepang
Thank you.
sinerve you.
Guys, balang mag-crave kung manok.
Ba?
Matamon ka.
Wait ah.
Yan yaman ng kaya eh.
Grabe.
Nakawala si Manya mamanok kini.
Balang mo king
Nor,
alas eh.
achuta Angeles.
Pero
Naniburi mo? Naniburi mo?
Manok.
Chicken.
Buri ko
Si
fried.
Fried.
Angeles fried chicken!
Our next stop is Angeles Fried
Fried
Chicken. One of the oldest and of course, iconic,
Yummiest.
most iconic.
Yes, chicken.
Okay.
Guys.
Kukulita mo
Smell
Kenny.
it.
At suta mo kiyang iconic
Anak ko pa, Rening Checker de Rene.
Atuna lang.
Mamang anak ko ka Rene. So,
Ating nga hausin kapampangan kanini na sila gyo. Ali ba tapete?
tapeti.
Second.
Second.
Zep.
Nokorin tamo?
Angeles Fried
Nokorin
Chicken.
na mo ni ka? Nano itong buri mo nandun?
Manok.
At suta mo Diamond Subdivision, Balibago, Angeles City.
Patarakin niya, le, kita pandesal.
Oo, lebas na
Segue.
tayo nandun.
Ayan pa din sa episode din.
Cut
Ay,
ulit.
labal.
This is considered as one of the most iconic. Not only because they serve itang
Sorry.
itang manok kaya mo kalingwan, but also of its history. And it's still standing strong I might say. And kay Nica celebrate yung birthday ng Kaliyo. Second birthday.
Shigang.
Sigang. Guys, celebrate niyo yun kasi bakit
Oh,
First
sige.
time ko.
First time.
First time na.
Tatakot ko mag-share kasi balang po, tas sobra lumay itang i-share ka.
Yung babo.
So aside from chicken, since sa Chuka Angeles,
Angeles Fried Chicken.
Ating
Chicken sisig.
Chicken.
alang mayonnaise ang pong-ebon.
Gamba.
so you need chicken sisig.
Chicken sisig.
And then gambas yun. So yung
Wow.
gambas is consisting of
Shrimp.
paro, kahit yung sauce.
Wow.
Okay. Try
We're
this.
so experts. Fish fritters po ito.
Fish.
Fish fritters.
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 Si fish lang free
Fritter.
to.
With the gula. Free to.
Start with gambas.
Okay, gambas. Yeah, ako buri yung masosya. Diba ako agay pa itang pali na nila sisig.
Buri na ka, buri na ka.
Ay, isi mo.
Hindi mo lang.
Isi mo lang.
The man has a wife.
So ini chicken sisig.
Alitin ko tam. Kasi yung sisig, akang pengan tamo, nabalo tamo, pig's ears. Ngayon eh, nano yung chicken
Chicken ears.
sisig?
Chicken face.
Chicken ears, chicken face.
Chicken tongue.
Nano yan pa?
Chicken tail.
Yan lang.
Puta ting yung chicken nose.
Don't do
Itong
this.
big na tuna yan.
Mama
Kaya mga bash tamo eh.
Sir, mag-serve kayong beer din. Mag-serve ng beer. Kasi sabihan ko perfect kaya yung beer yun eh.
Nandin, sinerve date ang appetizer, which is gambas and sisig, chicken sisig.
So appetizer yung babalikan.
Appetizer ya pa ito. Apin din ding best sellers naning Angeles Fried Chicken. Ating katang
Shrimp with almond and vegetables, ating katang lumpiang Shanghai, grilled chicken, ating tamang pansit, ating tamang fish fritters, fried rice, Japanese fried chicken, and of course,
ing
Singkit naman.
Angeles Fried Chicken, the signature fried chicken.
Signature.
Okay guys, so let's dig in.
Whoa!
Aray ko, may tinidur ka ako. Ayan o, ebidensya. Ninita, piniplay niya.
So let's dig in. Yawid na story. Yung metong paborito ko Kenny, itang rolls. So, yung buritong gawan tamo,
Nani yan, no? Tigiki yan.
kumandot kayo. Andot kayo sabi-sabi.
Kinurot ko.
Ano ba yan ako? Buset. Oh.
Filter gain.
Okay, but habang mag-chicken kayo, wow, ang po mag-gravy. Kanan nyo ini.
Do not disturb.
Panagan yung almusal.
Ay, tapat.
Kaya tayo ngayon ni Sir Pocholo. He's the operations manager na Angeles Fried Chicken. And third generation na. Third generation. So Angeles Fried Chicken started around the 1960s. Marami pa kami mga chicken specialties or items na ilalabas for you guys. Siyempre, we're a chicken house. We're planning also na mag-expand rin outside. I would like to invite everyone to like our page, Angeles Fried Chicken. Also Instagram at Angeles Fried Chicken. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! Okay. Mag-see face on. Iba't na Angeles Fried Chicken. Ating ko pang space. Mga chanyop.
Beyond Magsi, Mileri.
So, papunta tamo kanyan. Kaya next, iconic. You cannot be in Angeles without knowing this. You cannot live in Angeles without knowing na yung pipangan na yun.
Or pwede mo ring you are in Angeles because
yes,
of this.
And it's located in
Crossing! Kasama ka rin kayo itang Sisig Fiesta Meet 2018 episode.
This is the place to be.
Pinakaning lugar to be.
Pinyaning pig face, happening mata. These are the essential ingredients to create the perfect sisig, the authentic sisig, sabi ng Miss Mina. Miss Mina pala, yung anak ng Madam Seni, Punanan, na Miga Kenny. This is the ate, happening ng Galamunding, and this is the white, and this is the brown.
Ano yan, Kev?
I am holding the
Kaliwayan, ita.
Ita. Okay. Sige. So luluto na kayo ng sisig ng aling lusing. So yan yan yung lagyan niya. Kaya pinaigido. And he laid down the beautiful sisig ng aling lusing. That sound. Medyo tatalamsik-talamsik yan pag yung side na ng gamat ko na. So, kaya iserve ko na yung karang ka na akong customer. Okay. Ayan, yung sisig ng aling lusing.
Pitala pa mga
Okay, so, ano nga sabi yung authentic sisig na ng aling lusing?
Manyaman?
So the perfect complement to any sisig is a bucket of beer. So welcome to day 2 na kaya kaming food crawl.
Hindi na mawala.
Migsiyare pa sa
Dimples nang mawala na.
Migsiyare pa. So kasi na kaming kakanan. Kaya nga pa siyare. Tiotuico lang celebrity and guest score kasi Dakal pinsikat ang pumunta ngayon. So guys, kaya bimiyang ngayon is Mila. Yan po yung titular Milas Kenny Angeles.
Wala niya pong make start.
Nag-start ko Kenny, taping sari-sari store kita karap. Yung sari-sari, di takyam ko. Ay sipang ko, gawa ko tao ko baboy pa. Ang ilagyo na Milas to.
tokot baboy.
Masyadong may buming tokot baboy. Ay sipang cases mo. May mga pako. Wow, pabago ko neto.
Guys, takpan ka na lang. Head back po. Guys.
Kete mo, alam pa kung kaya nangyari ang lugar. Kete yan mo.
Apintingaman ko basta Kapampangan.
Manyaman.
Magluto.
Magluto.
Ibang metong gani guys ng kabilising service da. Solid mabilis. Apin po initang barbecue tocino. Sarili pong kain niya.
Ang sauce yan. Ayan yung sauce niya yung kain.
Ako. Migs. Ni Bruno, dinagit ni Migs. Ayari niya kasabi yapong Mila Gomez. Yeah. This is the authentic Kapampangan salad.
Kaya po familiar rin pa kaya kayo. It's called fern. Diba? Fern in English.
Wheels.
Something fern niya.
Api ni Ariel, alam makapangan mo ngayon. Kanyang ano ko makakakit kumakanya. Panyalungan ko la, pinipalit pa ko.
Next thing I wanna try, ini nga barbecue tocino. Na hindi kayo pasasabihan pa na ikakalimutan.
Ang gawa.
Sarili tayong gawa at i-mix mo yan with kini nga salamay. Yak mo
Lalamila.
yak mo maslam kung tao.
Kakulit ko masyado.
Claiming ka kanan mo.
Ini nga sandal tagan-tagan. Tagan ng Nica, tagan ng Celine, tagan ng Kevin. Yan.
Bakit?
Kasabi nga siya pumila, kailangan karang sabihan. Kaya bibuild up yung sarili ko, anak ako. Anak again na. Sinalak na ako umakan yan. Papunta kay Larissa.
Basag, sagbo.
Abin din yung one of a kind. Tosinong, barbecue tosino. Barbecue tosino na ni Milas. Ilam mo yung gagawang makanyan gini. Solid. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Eh, yung paglalakad ko nga namin nakahal. Kaya bagay lalo pa walang pulis na matulis ka sunalang. Wala nung pero papaaral. Parang ako rin ang mga ilagay yung bagay. Pangarap ko naman.
Usually, paborito dagini ng pizza burger ng tacos mo. Hindi ako paborito kung chili with cheese and onions.
That's my favorite.
Heck,
As in, sobrang favorite ko to.
Right, and then you mix it up. Okay.
You
Put all cheese.
O sige, if you want it very cheesy,
Cheesy.
pwede mo na yung malagay. Okay. You have two options. Pwede may crush yun papunta ka rin. Or ako yung gagawin ko.
Nanggawan mo.
I use it as my spoon.
Sige, Ben. Mozzarella. Ito lang mozzarella.
Lalasa yung chili corn carne.
Siyempre chili
Palagay mo? Talaga?
Maparas yan.
Okay, next. Classic combination pizza from Didis Sine. So, pinita medium size na. So, obviously, large. Kasi yung space.
Nung perfect yun, iba't siya kauran. Bisa mangan, iba't pa-deliver ka didis. Iba't datang lanong kapali.
Yung magaling na banini, kunyari may rep na. Saksak niya toaster, good to go. Back to where it started. The infamous nameless hot sauce ng Didi. Ating dahilan na niya, yung Didis. Diyan nanggawan mo diyang nanularing mamanalakadapit sa parlors. Mat dahing Didis, ulings.
It is an institution. Kailangan this. Cheers, cheers.
Kay niya pa talaga mag-match. Ito ang mozzarella. Yung next ni, yung karelang tacos.
Ay, sorry.
Cheesy perfection.
Okay, finally, initang legendary ausandang pizza burger. Okay, subukan tayo. Subukan tayo.
Ano talaga yung mozzarella?
Bayong
Metong pang
palaman.
subo bala mo. Mabsi ng mabsi kasi nakabayat yung atsan. Karatang kakanyamanan kayong burger. Imbes na order na kayong pizza, hinina mo, mas better yun.
Hey guys, buriming pabalo kaya kayo ni. All the restaurants and the food that may feature kang episode ni can be yours in just a few easy steps at the comfort of your own home. How? Through mengan.ph. Ordering from Angeles' most iconic restaurants is just a click away. Choose your restaurant. Place your order, Manaya, Mamayad, Mangan. Mengan.ph delivers to Angeles, Clark, Dau, and Talabastagan. Download their app on the iPhone App Store or the Google Play Store or visit their website at www.mengan.ph. Thank you very much, Mengan.ph, for sponsoring this video.
Bal na sabi mi kasi sobra kami kabsi. So we've been through your choice. Kaya sinurvey mi ini. 5 iconic restaurants kining Angeles. And Dakal tamo pa puntalan ang mga nini.
Ilan mo lima ring iconic restaurants na ni Angles pero Denny ring metong ka ring top king list. We're not experts pero king panlasa ko Denny rin the best. Lima.
Ating ko ipang palagay yung we missed on our list. Tell us in the comments below. Nung ating kayo restaurants na palagay yung dapat ning i-feature kang part 2, just comment them.
Usual, banta aki ko pa rin alo aming gawa pong ding gawan mi pa. Follow us on
Facebook at facebook.com/wethelokal.
And I hope you subscribe on YouTube at Search Nimo with the Lokal.
Yes. And also follow our Instagram account and Twitter account at wethelokal.
Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much.
Salamat.
5 Lucas Shirts, Dakal salamat.
Thank you.
Yi Technology, Dakal salamat.
Powered by Yi.